Hello, everyone. It's Renee, and welcome to the Diabetic Toolbox, where we are on a mission to end type 2 diabetes one family at a time through education, support, and empowerment. This is the Daily Dose, your moment to pause, learn something new, and take one small step towards balance and better health. Today, we're talking about how to take control of your mornings by planning ahead, packing your lunch and your snacks either the night before or in the morning before you leave for work or the start of your day. When hunger hits and there's no plan, stress increases and so does your blood sugar. By packing your food ahead of time, you'll have options that support your body and reduces your decision fatigue and those trips to the vending machine. A balanced lunch includes protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Your snack might include something as simple as fruit with nuts, yogurt, or cheese. This one habit can lower your stress and support your blood sugar. It will also help you to feel more confident throughout the day. If you want all 5 of the habits that we've shared this week, along with a checklist and progress page, download my free guide, 5 Ways to Take Control of Your Mornings. The link is in the show notes or below this video. And remember to share this episode with someone you love. That's all I have for you today, my friends. Have a beautiful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.